Let's look at this question. Phil, a fitness enthusiast, goes running every evening. The distance that he runs depends on the type of food that he ate during the day. On days that he eats pastries or pizzas or burgers or ice creams or french fries, he runs for a longer distance. During any day, if he did not eat pastries or pizzas or burgers or ice creams or french fries, he runs for exactly 3 kilometers. However, during the day, if he ate pastries, he ran for an additional 1 kilometer. Okay, so with pastries, additional 1 kilometer, let me write it as pastry 1 kilometer. If he ate ice creams, he runs for an additional 2 kilometers. Okay, with ice cream, additional 2 kilometers. If he ate French fries, he runs for an additional 3 kilometers. Okay, with French fries, additional 3 kilometers. If he eat burgers, he runs for an additional 4 kilometers. Okay, with burgers, he runs for additional 4 kilometers. If he ate pizzas, he ran for additional 5 kilometers. Okay, with pizza, he runs for 5 additional kilometers. On any day, if he ate more than one of the above 5 types of food mentioned above, he runs the additional distances corresponding to all types of food that he ate on that day. Okay, so it is possible that he can eat more than one type of food on a day. And say if he ate pastries and ice cream on the same day, then he would run three instead of just one or two additional. He will run 3 kilometers. Okay. The bar graph, he does not eat anything after he goes for a run on any day. Okay. The bar graph below provides the distance that Phil ran for 9 days from day 1 through day 9. Further, it is known that he did not eat the same type of food on any two consecutive days during the 9 days. And then you have this bar chart. Okay, let's record the data within this bar chart. You have day 1, you have day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 for 9 days. On day 1, he has run for 3 additional kilometers. Now, these 3 additional kilometers can either be by the way of 1 plus 2 or simply 3. These are the two possibilities. I'm not taking care of the name of the food item right now, just the numbers. On the next day, he has run 6 extra. He has run 6 extra. Now 6 can be created by either 1 plus 5 or 2 plus 4 or 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now just look at the first 2 days. Regardless of what he chooses on the first day, he's either going to consume 1 or 2 or 3. This grouping is never going to be possible on the second day. 1, 2, 3. These three things, because regardless of what he chooses on the first day, one of the items will become common, and he was told to us that it is known that he did not eat the same type of food on any two consecutive days during the 9 days. So 1, 2, 3 is not possible. Okay. So if he ate 1 and 2 on the first day, if he ate 1, 1 plus 5 would go. If he ate, so 1 plus 5 would go, and if he ate 1 plus 2 on the first day, 2 plus 4 would also go, which means 1 plus 2 he cannot eat on the first day. If he ate 1 plus 2 on the first day, 1 plus 5 and 2 plus 4, both these cases would be cancelled. So he ate precisely 3 on the first day, and 3 corresponds to French fries. Okay, let's go to the third day. We still don't know on second day whether he ate 1 plus 5 or 2 plus 4. On day 3, he has run an additional of 7 kilometers. Okay, 7 kilometers can be given by 2 plus 5, 3 plus 4, or 1 plus 2 plus 4. These things can be used. 2 plus 5, 3 plus 4, or 1 plus 2 plus 4. Okay. Now see, if he picks up either 1 plus 5 or 2 plus 4 here, 1 plus 5 or 2 plus 4 here, 1 plus 5 or 2 plus 4 here, he cannot take 1 plus 2 plus 4 in any case, because 1 gets repeated here, 2 gets repeated here, 4 gets repeated here. So this is definitely not the case. Now if he had taken 2 plus 4 on the prior day, 2 plus 5 would also get cancelled, 3 plus 4 would also get cancelled. So he cannot take 2 plus 4 on the previous day, and therefore the consumption on day 2 will necessarily be 1 plus 5, and this 1 plus 5 is pastries plus pizzas. I should write it here, pastry and pizza, and here you have French fries. I might not have space left over here, So on day 1 we have French fries, on day 2 we have pastry and pizza. Now that it is known it is 1 plus 5 on day 2, can you also see 2 plus 5 cannot be on day 3 because 5 is common. So this is also cancelled. You're left with 3 plus 4 here. So you have French fries and burgers on day 3. This is also known. Okay, let's go to day 4. On day 4 he has again eaten 7. On day 4 he has again eaten 7. Now in order to make 7 you can either have 2 plus 5 or 3 plus 4 or 1 plus 2 plus 4. See, 4 is common in these two, so you cannot have them. The only way you can make 7 here is 2 plus 5. The only way you can make 7 here is 2 plus 5. And 2 plus 5 is nothing but ice cream plus pizza. Okay, so day 4 is also known to us. Let's get to day 5. Day 5 is 5 extra. Now for 5, you can have these cases 1 plus 4 or 2 plus 3 or 5 itself. 1 plus 4 or 2 plus 3 or 5 itself. Now because 2 plus 5 was getting used up in the previous day, this case is impossible. This case is impossible. The only case that is possible is 1 plus 4. So you would have pastries and burgers on day 5. Let's get to day 6. Day 6 is again 7 extra. And 7 extra can be made from 2 plus 5 or 3 plus 4 or 1 plus 2 plus 4. Because 4 is common here, the only thing that can work here is 2 plus 5. And now for 2 plus 5, it is as good as ice cream and pizza. Day 6 is also known. Let's get to day 7. It is 8, so 5 more. Now for 5 more, it will either be 1 plus 4 or 2 plus 3 or 5. Because 5 is getting used up here, it will only be 1 plus 4 here. 1 plus 4 is pastry and burger. Day 7 is also taken care of. Let's get to day 8, where he's running 11 kilometers or 8 extra. Now 8 extra can be created by, let's say, 3 plus 5 or 1 plus 2 plus 5 or 1 plus 3 plus 4. These are the 3 ways in which you can create 8. But because 1 and 4 are getting used up here, 1 plus 2 plus 5, this case is cancelled. 1 plus 3 plus 4, this case is cancelled. You can only make 3 plus 5. And 3 plus 5 is French fries and pizzas. Okay, so French fry and pizza for day 8. This is also known. Now for final day, day 9, we have 6 extra kilometers run. For these extra 6 kilometers run, the way they can make it is, for 6 the cases are 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4 or 1, 2 plus 3. Because 3 is getting used up here and 5 is also getting used up here. 3 makes this case invalid, 1 plus 5 makes this case invalid. So the only possibility here will be 2 plus 4. 2 and 4 are nothing but ice cream and burger. And therefore, we now have a list of precise items that he has eaten on all 9 days. Let's get to the individual questions. During the 9 days, on how many pairs of consecutive days did Phil eat pizzas on the first day and French fries on the next day? Let's see. He has eaten pizza here. It is followed by a French fries. So yes, 2 to 3 should be counted. Day 2 to day 3, pizza here, French fry here should get counted. Pizza here, no French fry here. Pizza here, no French fry here. Pizza here, no French fry here. Therefore, there is just one day, day 2 and day 3, where he is eating pizza on day 2 and French fries on day 3. So answer to question number 1 will be option B, 1. On which of the following days did Phil eat pastries? On day 1 he is eaten French fries. On day 3 he is eaten French fries and burgers. On day 2 he is eaten pastries. Yes, this seems like right. Let's also look at the last option, day 9, ice creams and burgers. So fine, option C, day 2 is the correct answer here. Let's look at question 3. Which of the following food items did Phil eat on the maximum number of days during the given period? Okay, let me count pastries. So 1, 2, 3. So on 3 days he's eaten pastries. Let's look at ice creams. 1, 2, 3. Ice creams also on 3 days. Then let's look at French fries. 1, 2, 3. French fries also on 3 days. Let's look at burgers. Burgers is on 1, 2, 3, and 4. Burger is on 4 days. Then let's look at pizzas. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pizzas is also on 4 days. Now your answer has to be one of two, burgers or pizzas. But because the question says which of the following food items, you only look for one of the options. French fry is not the answer, ice cream is not the answer, pastry is not the answer. The answer has to be pizzas. It was eaten on 4 days. Now let's look at question number 4. On how many of the 9 days did Phil eat burgers? Phil eat burgers but did not eat French fries. Okay, we have to look for days when burgers was consumed but French fries was not consumed. So this day will get counted, this day will get counted, and this day will get counted. This day when burger is being eaten will not get counted because French fries is coming along with burgers. Therefore you will have 3 days on which burgers are being consumed but French fries are not being consumed. Answer option D, and that should be the entirety of this question.